Now that I've created a variety of fraction models in Google Drawings, I need to get my images into Scratch as sprites. The first thing I'm going to have to do is I need each of these pictures copied into a new Google Drawing file so that I can download each file as a separate image for Scratch. I can't have all of these fractions in one image file. This will just be one large sprite. And I want each of these to be separate sprites that I can code in Scratch. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to go through, and I haven't grouped these pieces together yet, so each of these is still separate pieces. So I'm going to make sure that on each fraction bar, I hold down Shift to select both pieces of the fraction bar and then go to Arrange and Group. And I'm going to need to do that for each fraction bar. Group. Okay. You'll want to go through and finish doing all the fraction bars. I'm going to stop here for a minute and show you the next step. So now I'm going to, this is now just one shape. Undo. I'm going to select that shape and I'm going to go to File, I'm going to go to Edit, Copy. Now, this is different than duplicate. When I use duplicate, it automatically prints that duplicate right on the screen where I already am. I don't want to duplicate this shape here, so I'm not going to use duplicate this time. I'm going to select and go to Copy because I'm going to make a copy, and that copy is going to be saved until I paste it somewhere else, which is what I'm going to end up doing. So, Copy. Now I need a new file, so I'm going to go File, New, Drawing. And this is where I will paste that saved copy waiting to be pasted. So Edit, Paste, and there it is. All right. Now I have my 1/2 picture done, so I'm going to save this as 1/2. And I'm going to download this single fraction model as a PNG file. And there's my 1/2. And I need to do that for each of my fraction models. So now we'll do 2/2. I've already grouped that. So now I can do Edit, Copy, or you can see Control C will do the same thing. So Copy, New File, New Drawing, Edit, Paste, or Control V, Paste. There's my 2/2. And then same thing, this is 2/2. Name it, and then download it as a PNG file. Each of these drawings is saving in Google Drive automatically, and then every time I download the image file, it's going into my Downloads folder. Let's do one more. So let's see, 2/4. I've already grouped this one. So 2/4, I'm going to do Control C to copy, File, New Drawing, and then Control V to paste. And there it is. This is 2/4, File, Download as PNG. And I'll have to do that for all of the fraction models that I've drawn.